G'day everyone, today I will show you how to make amber colour. We have yellow and red. We'll start off with adding some yellow paint there. Alright. And then some red. We're going to mix the red with the yellow. So just a bit of red with the yellow. Right. Add this to the paper. And then we'll just add a bit more red. And we'll get a darker colour amber. Now add this to the paper. Right. And we'll keep going. Make it a bit darker. Right, and we'll add the rest. Almost like a red colour. There you go. Tell me what you think. If you think that it's amber or whatever, and yeah. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe. I'll see you all later.